finally gonna get to try out that can cooker today, guys. Can cooker something else. I'm gonna go in with none other than 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗's fire cups. This is something completely different than what you've seen on my channel, so stay tuned. Got a fire cup right there, and I'm gonna also go in there with some hickory wood chunks from none other than Bear Mountain. They have recently started doing wood chunks and chips as well. And it gives me a little chance to test out my little chef torch that I haven't tried yet. Got some Kingsford down at the bottom. And I'm just having fun with this little torch. This little thing lights it up. And that fire cup, it didn't take much at all to get that fire going. That's another view of the fire. That's right, a live fire on my channel. So I'm getting it really hot and fast. And you'll see why in a few. I'm coming in with some of the 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗 heifer dust. This is a very savory beef rub. Light on the salt. Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika. It's got a couple of little things in it, but it's not salty at all. So you want to load up on it, on your protein. It makes for a fantastic beef rub. And there it is. The little 10-inch Weber kettle is nice and hot. Now I'm cooking all 3 steaks at the same time, guys. I want to cook them all at the same time. Nice and hot, nice and fast. Here I'm doing the flippity flip. Flipping them, getting it to the side. The smells coming off of this Weber kettle are something else, you guys. We'll go ahead and come in here and start checking the temp on with my ThermoPro thermo pen. I'm there now, so these steaks are done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them, but before I do, I want to give you guys a little close-up on these steaks. Check this out. Look at that crust. They smell even good. There's a little crispin that fell off of one of those steaks, and it was fantastic, guys. So I'm pulling them. Look at that one. Oh yeah. And these steaks are nothing fancy, guys. They're not prime. These are just some choice steaks, and you'll see why here in a minute. I'm gonna cut them up in strips here. I gotta get a little taste test. Fantastic, trust me, it was fantastic. I'm gonna turn them, and I'm gonna cut these into little cubes. Okay. From both ends, they got nice and charred. Cooked hot and fast on an open fire. You guys know what that tastes like. I mean, it's a magic cooking a steak hot and fast over some open flame like that. Another little taste test here. You know, I can't tell you guys how many times I tested this steak. It was 2 thumbs up. Here's my can cooker, giving you guys a quick look at it all the way around it there. Now it cooks with steam. It's got these latches that you can lock. It comes with a little rubber seal there. It's not rubber, I think it's silicone. So I'm putting my chopped up steak in there, in the can cooker. I've got a bag of diced onion. This is just a quick cook, guys. Some diced green peppers, and this is all from HEB. Some green peas from the frozen section. A bushel of potatoes, my favorite kind of potatoes. Coming in with 2 of these little packs of mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And some carrots that I have peeled and cut. And I've got about, I think it was like 8 garlic cloves that I dropped in there. Here's a Spaten Optimator Double Bock German beer. This is one of my favorite beers in the holiday time. It's a very dark beer. You guys gotta give it a shot. Some beef broth. I'm gonna go in there with the whole container. I'm gonna dump it in there. Unsalted, you guys. This is unsalted beef broth. So I'm gonna come in there with a couple tablespoons of chili powder. Some more beef, 2 tablespoons. or canola. And I'm coming in with 3 of the tomato. The tomato one really makes the difference. That brings the flavor. Shape it, give it a little shake, and pour another cup of water on top of there. Shake it up a little bit, and let's go ahead and seal it. Latch both latches. Let's get that lid out the way. And you guessed it, guys. We're going to go ahead and put the CanCooker on top of the Weber kettle. Little 10-inch Weber kettle, CanCooker. Some delicious stews that's going to be cooking. Let's go ahead and check it out, guys. It's about a good hour and a half later. Look at that. My goodness, you guys. It doesn't get any easier than that. You just put all your ingredients in it and just let it go. Just let it sit. Let it do its thing. Look at that. You guys, look at that. Just some potatoes, some pea. I see some steak, some mushroom, some carrot. The smell that's coming out of this pot right now, guys, out of this can. Amazing. I'm so shocked on how well this CanCooker cooked this stew. This thing is just, this is a whole other thing. But we got to make something to go with it. Okay. We know that our stew is ready. So let's go in with some of this 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗 cornbread mix. Yeah, baby. Crack an egg in there. Half a cup of milk. And some melted butter. Butter makes everything better. 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗, baby. I know you didn't think that I was going to do a whole video without a 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗. Now, come on now. My cast iron pan's been warmed up, and I'm going to go ahead and dump the cornbread mix in it. And 15 minutes later, guys, magic. Look at that cornbread. I'm telling you, this little 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗, you can cook anything in this little 𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗗 here. I'm telling you guys. Look at that. Look at the color. Perfection. Here it is plated up, you guys. Look at all the ingredients. You got the peas, you got the steak, the cornbread. This is fantastic, you guys. I hope you guys get yourselves one of these CanCookers. It is just a phenomenal cooker. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.